All right, so to run this cable through for the rear camera, it's a little bit involved, but it's not actually that difficult. So I wanted a clean install, so I ran the cable through the hatch itself and down through the factory tube, or whatever you want to call it. You're gonna have to remove the piece of trim that goes right here. I used a trim puller, but honestly you could use just about anything. Honestly, by hand is even easier. Pulled this down here a little bit ways, and I ran it all the way towards the front on the driver's side. You know, once you get over here, you actually have plenty of space. You're gonna want something lengthy and kind of stiff in order to run it through. I guess you could probably use a wire hanger, but it's not going to get you all the way, so you'll have to do it in stages. I used a fish hook because it would go the entire way without me having to move it around. It did involve a lot of disassembly, so I had to remove that grab handle, the grab handle by the driver's side passenger door. I had to remove the climate controls, and I had to remove the front overhead console as well. None of that's too difficult. These just come out with a couple of screws. There's one here behind the handle, and then it pops right out. As far as this is concerned, it literally just pops out on its own. You know, there are no fasteners holding it in place, so you just pull on it and it'll come out. For the front console, there's only one screw keeping it in place. Behind the sunglass holder, you got this one screw right here, and then you pull it forward and it pops out real easy. So I just ran the wire through here, and I ran it all the way towards the front. When I got to here, it was a little difficult to work with. I could not get it past the B-pillar. So what I did was I started from here. I went more towards the center. I was kind of aiming for the hole that was behind this. And then all it took was just moving it a little bit further past. And then it came out right here without any issue. It took me longer than I'm willing to admit to figure that out, but what you definitely don't want to do is try and go down the center of the van. I don't know what's in the way, but there is a lot in the way. I couldn't get it more than halfway through in that direction.